Another failed print. I can't keep wasting all this filament. Oh my god, it's just a dream. I wonder if my 3D printer's done. No! Hey guys, welcome back to HandBuilt. Today we're going to talk about 3D printers, specifically my Ender 3 that I purchased, and how to get prints that come out like this and not like this. I'm going to show you 3 upgrades that I did to my printer that helped out significantly. Number 1, I changed out my extruder. So your Ender 3 comes with a plastic extruder. I'm going to show you a picture of what mine looked like after 2 prints. It has some significant cracking. I didn't know at the time, but it was affecting my prints by under extruding. So under extrusion is whenever your filament isn't getting supplied out of the nozzle fast enough. And then you'll have line separation, like for instance this, where it doesn't finish the print line. And you also have like separation where it'll stop printing halfway through and it'll start making spaghetti. So you could have those issues fixed almost all by changing out the extruder to an all metal extruder, which Creality does sell, and I'll put the link down below in the description. All right guys, upgrade number 2. I changed out the Bowden tube. This is the original Bowden tube, and you can see it has a bunch of like marring and marks in it where it was sliding on the fittings back and forth every time it extruded. So I changed it out with a Capricorn Bowden tube. That's helped significantly. I don't have any burrs or stops whenever I push the filament through to get to the nozzle whenever I'm loading new filament in. Whenever I had this one on there, it would get stuck at the beginning, halfway through. It wouldn't go the whole way through to the nozzle. I didn't know what was going on with it, so I changed it out also, and the fittings. And third, glue stick. I use this on the bed. Simply take a glue stick, rub it along the bed, let it dry for a minute, and then go ahead and start printing. That will save you from getting this. So this print was halfway through whenever it knocked loose, and it was moving all around in the print bed as the filament was coming out, which caused this big spaghetti noodle plastic mess. So if you don't want to wake up to your prints failing like this or failing like this halfway through, and you want to get some nice prints like this and this is a battery holder for a Porter cable battery. This is a inlet for a sander that hooks to a shop vac. If you want to get prints like that, then I suggest making those 3 upgrades. If I can get this 3D printer to work, and I'm a noob, I've never messed around with a 3D printer before, you can definitely get one, build it yourself, and get to printing. So I'll put links to all the things I used, the upgrades, the glue stick, in the description below, and try those out, see if that helps you out. I was banging my head against the wall trying to get mine to work, and after probably a half a roll of filament, I finally figured out that I needed to do some upgrades. So $20 is all I spent to fix all those problems. So anyways, have a good day. Like, subscribe if you like this content. Take care.